Medical cannabis may offer relief from pain, nausea, and other uncomfortable symptoms associated with many illnesses. It can even help you cope with the harsh side effects of some traditional medical therapies. And now, you have the choice to use medical cannabis in Illinois. It's a legal treatment option for registered patients with at least one of the qualifying medical conditions. A full list of these conditions and more information can be viewed on our website at newagecare.org.
As far as epilepsy goes, especially the young ones, maybe moms are afraid to give them any kind of medical cannabis. But if they're not afraid to offer pharmaceuticals to these small children, then they should never ever be afraid to offer medical cannabis. How did we find out she had epilepsy? Well, she was experiencing a lot of anxiety. She was on the Valium, taking more of it, feeling out of control. She told me, I'm feeling out, my life is out of control. So then she said, Mom, I just want to go to Florida, take a little vacation, take a break, and when I come back, I'm going to get a job and get my life back together, as if it was her fault. So we went to Florida. She's in the hotel room, and I said to Danielle, my mom's instinct said to me,
we had to get
I
up
don't
there.
think we should leave her alone. I don't know why. And then we went upstairs, and she was on her way out of the hotel room,
doing her
lip smacking and doing this. And I said, Danielle, she's having one of those issues.
Yeah, my mom and her sat down.
Sat
We were just
down.
waiting for the issue to pass like it normally did, but
It
instead,
didn't pass this time.
instead Nicole had a convulsive seizure. I didn't see it, I just heard her make a noise with her throat and she lost consciousness.
I held on to her, but I didn't know what was happening. My brain somewhere said seizure, even though I had never seen one in my life.
No.
And I just held on to her, and I was worried about her biting her tongue because I heard that they can do that, but I couldn't open her mouth. She was rigid and tight and no budging her.
And her face was so red. I don't think she was breathing.
And then she passed out, and I thought she died in my arms. I thought my daughter died in my arms. We put her in the car, we put a pillow next to her head, and we drove her straight to the hospital. As soon as we walked into the emergency room, she's afraid of hospitals. Bam, another convulsive seizure right in front of the medical experts. And then they start her on Keppra without our approval, without asking if it's okay. They start her on medicine to stop the seizures. What I've seen through my daughter's experience, the side effects of the pharmaceuticals are horrific. She lost weight. They take away her appetite. They might take away your white blood cells. They might make you pee the bed. They might make you rage at your mother and try to hurt other people. They might make you try to hurt yourself. I've watched my daughter hurt herself because she has such rage. And then off of the pharmaceuticals, she's more of her own personality again, the sweet, kind, loving person that she's always been.
And when she got to that turning point, when she had tried, 10 medications in 14 months, that's when we started looking for alternatives. So many miracle cases of, again, refractory epilepsy. Kids that have been having seizures for their whole life, just like Nicole, tried dozens of medication, nothing worked. But these moms found that CBD oil and medical cannabis was stopping these seizures, these unstoppable seizures.
And with cannabis, I think side effects are a negative thing. So there are no negative side effects. If you want to call side effects positive, the positive end of it, she gains her appetite back. She's more of her normal self. On cannabis, you can't tell she's taking medicine. On pharmaceuticals, everyone knew she had a problem, and she lost many friends. And so on the cannabis, she's gone 7 days seizure-free. Her personality is back to herself. There are no negative side effects.
That's why I wanted to get off this medication, because I knew that before the medication, I could handle myself better. So I knew that even if I didn't take it, I wasn't going to die. This medicine was making me die instead.
So we'll take it away.
Yeah.
You got to put it all together. Nutrition, the way we live our lives, healthy lifestyle. We do yoga. These are all things that can help you naturally be healthy. The body has amazing powers of healing if we would just allow the body to heal naturally. So natural cures is what we're all after. And cannabis is a natural cure. and we need people that are knowledgeable about it, because we don't know what dosing, we don't know what products can be made. We need people that have that education and knowledge. We need that research done, and those people coming from New Age Care are the ones that are going to help us.